Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Dividend stocks on Interactive Brokers. First, you'll need an active Interactive Brokers account. If you don't have one, sign up and complete the verification process. Once your account is ready, ensure it's funded. You can deposit funds using various methods like bank transfers. Having at least $100 in your account is a good starting point for your first investment. Now, let's find some Dividend stocks. Log into your Interactive Brokers account and navigate to the research section. Utilize their powerful screening tools to filter for stocks that pay dividends. Look for companies with a history of consistent payouts and a healthy dividend yield. Consider factors like the company's financial stability and growth prospects to make informed decisions about your investments. Once you've identified a stock, it's time to place your order. Search for the stock symbol within the platform. You'll then need to decide on your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price. Enter the number of shares you want to buy and review your order before confirming the purchase. After buying, regularly monitor your Dividend stocks and their performance. Interactive Brokers provides tools to track your portfolio and dividend payments. Many investors choose to reinvest their dividends, which means using the payouts to buy more shares, leading to compound growth over time. This strategy can significantly boost your long-term returns. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.